So here we are at Sky Motor Cars. This is in Westchester, Pennsylvania. These guys are awesome. They hold like all sorts of high-end cars, and guess what? We're getting one. It might not be what you think though. I'm gonna go show you guys what it looks like inside, and then I'm gonna give the big reveal on what we just bought and what we plan to do with it. It says employees only. Let's go! So this is their inventory. Check this out. Like, lots of awesome cars here. Like, I don't know what you guys are a fan of, but I will tell you, they probably have it, and if they don't have it, they can get it. You just like put a request in, call, like all that fun stuff. They'll make it happen. So look at this. This is a V10 R8. I kind of want this thing. I can't afford this thing, but I want it. That'd be awesome. That would be cool. Maybe they'll let me rip around in it. That'd be, there's no harm in asking, right? Anyway, like check this out. Porsches, Mercedes, Audi, BMW, whatever that is. It's a Mazda. They have something for everybody. I'm just waiting for them to come up with a new Escalade, you know, in my price range. I don't know if that's possible, but everything, all sorts of cool stuff, and again, they can get it. So if you guys are looking for like your dream car and you're looking for it for a good price, you should totally contact Sky Motors. And I will tell you, I was not paid to say this, and I was not commissioned, or I didn't get a deal in any way to say this. What I will tell you is that I do business with these guys. I do some work for them. If they get a souped up Camaro or Corvette or something like that, they will probably send it over to me to evaluate, because they want to make sure that you guys get the right car, you know, that's working properly. And when it comes over, you know, we get it on the dyno, we do all that fun stuff. We work our magic on it and get it back to Sky Motors. And, you know, sometimes they have something there that I want, and today we made a deal. So that's a lot of cool cars, and they got a lot more coming. So you want to check out their website, it's skymotorcars.com. So funny story, my car is not actually here. Sky Motors sent it over to my shop to get checked out, and we came up with a deal. So now we gotta go all the way back to my shop so you guys can see what we just got. Okay, back into the super duper Corvette. Look at that, carbon fiber. Okay, here's the reveal. And just to keep the excitement up, we're gonna get another person involved that I know is gonna be totally thrilled to see this. Hey! Oh, well, all right, well maybe we will have people excited. Hi.
Abby will be right back.
Hey, Owie. Here it is. Look at this bad boy. The C5Z06.
Looks just like mine.
Yeah, what do you think? Look at the interior. Yeah, fancy. You want to drive it?
Today?
No. No, we got to teach you how to drive a manual all over again.
Sounds like a lot of work.
It is a lot.
Traffic.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, we had. What do you think? Red Vet versus Red Vet?
Yeah, we can be matching. Twinsies.
Yay!
We can both wear our CSP t-shirts.
Yeah. Oh, and what do you think of this Corvette?
Cool.
Yeah, Sarah, do you like this? Do you want that to be yours? No.
What kind of car do you want?
Yeah, Sarah. Hold on. Mommy asked a very important question. Sarah, what kind of car do you want? Pink car. Oh, orange. You like orange? Do you need to go potty? Do you need to go potty? Yeah? Okay, let's go potty. So for those of you who don't know, this differs from the regular C5. This has an LS6 engine in it. And this LS6 has actually worked. This one is coming with headers and camshaft and an intake. I had to look over and find out. One thing that I will tell you, I thought it was my hair. My hair is perfect today. One thing that I will tell you is that this does need some touching up, which was one of the reasons why I came over here. I came over here kind of running a little rough, and I think that all is in the tune, so we're going to fix that up. But it also has a battery draw. Given that there might be a couple things with it that are more up my alley, instead of having us sort through it, we were able to come up with a pretty cool agreement, and now we have, what do we call it? I mean, it's not the red lemon because it's not really a lemon. Maybe we should call it something else. Red. Kristen, you were pretty good at this. What do you think we should name it?
I'm not good on the fly. I have to think about it.
You thought of red lemon on the fly.
Did I?
You did. Take your time. No pressure.
Yeah, I'm not good on the fly.
Okay. So, if you guys can think of a name for this, write it in the comments below, because my wife cannot do it right now. And you know what? Neither can I. I've only named one car, and really I stole it from somebody in the comments, Tree-L1, which I'm hoping will be back soon. Probably before your car. So, with that said, this is the reveal. We're blocked in, so I can't really take it out right now, but we'll take it out soon, and I'll show you guys, what we got here. So with the battery draw, I'm having trouble starting it. Let's see if we can make the magic happen. Nope. Okay, we got some time on the charger. Let's see. Woo! Fancy. Check engine light. Low fuel. Oh my God, what did I buy? Tips are a little crooked, but we can fix that. I know a guy. Looks like it is the stock exhaust. Yeah, baby. Maybe I'll take this home tomorrow. Although, I think the battery just needs to be replaced. It probably just has a bad cell on it. Needs a tune. So here she is. A new Butte. Needs a little bit of a bath. definitely has a decent sized stick in her. So I'm not sure exactly what the plan is here. Might keep her, but you know, might get her back on the market. I mean, we have a couple things that we have the red lemon and some other stuff. I don't know how many damn Corvettes I need, but this is pretty cool. Okay, so this is definitely a problem. Let's fix that. Does it work? Wow, that worked. No, it didn't. I put in some work here. Magic of YouTube, yay. Okay, so we got a new battery in, and hopefully that's all we need. I did find a receipt in the glove box that actually has receipts for a new alternator. So I think that means that the whole electrical system, the electrical charging system, has really been replaced now. And we're here getting gas for the first time. I already pumped it. I was on the phone, so I couldn't like show you the magic. But hey, we spent 49 bucks on gas. 93. So now it's time to go rip, and we'll see about making some tune adjustments as the data comes in. Let's see how she drives now. We have a little bit of a hanging idle until we come to a complete stop. We will sort that out in the tune. Hey, it's better than stalling though. So the car is actually driving pretty nice. I do suspect this is a big cam car. What I can tell you is that right around that, like 1200 to 1500, we are getting some of the cam surge, that cam buck. As we warmed up, the idle has come down to a more manageable level, which I can do some tweaks to keep that pretty steady throughout the whole thing. It looks like this thing has a 160-degree thermostat in it because we're not really warming up too much above 160 degrees. Usually it'll settle at like 170. As it gets hotter out, it'll be like 185 or so. But so far, I really like this car. It drives, honestly, it drives really, really well for almost a 20-year-old car. Like I don't hear any like clunks or creaks or anything goofy going on there. It's literally driving like a tight Corvette, which it is. It's a Z06, so it should be a tight Corvette. Hopefully. The bass tune I put on, which was just a shot in the dark, is actually doing pretty good. We have no stalling, no like oddities going on, no crazy dips. It's just doing pretty good. And so what are we going to do now? Just as you know, a little reminder of, you know, some things, we're going to go over to Faulkner to see a little bit more progress on the Tree-L1. Let's see what they have done to it, if it made it to paint yet or not. Would be kind of wild to see this thing almost done. I can't wait. And there we are, Faulkner, going in the exit to the body shop. So here's the customer's old car. Looks like he got a new roof, and looks like it's already repainted. Look at this. This thing's coming out really nice. Like, this is coming out really nice. I mean, it better, right?
Oh, yeah,
Dang! You guys are doing a great job. Like, look at that. This thing's gonna be perfect. It looks like we did get a new cowl put in. That's good. I was worried about that, but these guys are doing it the right way. And look at that. We got all sorts of good stuff going on here. It's getting ready for primer, and away we go. Wow, man, this is easy to get into now. Just oh, look at that. That was easy. Crazy looking. Well, oh, we got the new roof on as well. Look at that. Ah, I got shocked. Can you even see the, I guess you can see a little bit there, but I guess that'll get it like sanded down. Wow, this is crazy. It's getting primered and then paint. Holy hell. We're gonna be done pretty soon. We're getting close. So that's a nice little update from the body shop. Looks like it's gonna go for primer tomorrow, then it's gonna get sanded down. and then it's going to go for another layer of primer, sand it down again, and then it's actually going to get painted and sand it down again, or sanded and buffed and all that stuff. I mean, they're telling me this is going to be a mirror finish. It's probably going to have better paint than how it came from GM. I don't know that I'll have any orange peel. Crazy. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the updates. I'm gonna take home the C5Z tonight, now that it has a working battery, and I'll probably rip it around a little bit. It should be fun. Tomorrow's video is gonna be either a product testing video, which is gonna be pretty cool, or it's going to be about the damn power outage that we have. I'm not sure. I haven't compiled it yet, so you're going to be as surprised as I am. I hope you enjoyed tonight's video, and have a great day. Adios.